Before we begin, I want you to do one simple thing. Take a slow breath and get ready to speak out loud. This lesson is not passive. You will not sit and only listen. Today, we are going to shadow English together, step by step. You will repeat after me. You will speak with me. You will match my rhythm, my stress, and my sound. And by the end of this episode, you will feel more confident speaking English than you did yesterday.
Beginners sometimes feel scared to speak. That is normal. But shadowing helps you remove fear. You speak while listening at the same time. You copy the sounds and patterns of English. You do not worry about grammar. You do not worry about mistakes. You only focus on speaking with us.
You do not need perfect pronunciation. You only need your voice. Just follow me. Start slow, stay relaxed. Let the words come out. You will improve with repetition. We will begin with the simplest and most important part of shadowing, rhythm. English has a rhythm. When you shadow, your voice learns that rhythm. Repeat each line with me the moment you hear it. Do not wait until I finish. Join me immediately. Repeat with me. I am here. I am speaking. I am learning. I am practicing. I am getting better. I am trying my best. I am not afraid to speak.
Good. Keep your voice steady. Do not whisper. Speak out loud. Whispering does not train your mouth.
Now we move to simple daily actions. These actions appear in almost every conversation. Shadow these lines with me at the same time. I wake up. I get out of bed. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I go outside. I walk to the bus. I take the train. I go to work. I start my day.
If this feels too fast, that is okay. Shadowing is supposed to push you. Your brain will adjust.
Now let's move into the next step, connecting actions into natural English chunks. Repeat with me. I wake up at 7. I take a shower in the morning. I make coffee before work. I eat something small. I leave the house on time. I arrive at work early. I start working right away. I stay focused.
These chunks help your speaking flow more naturally. Most beginners speak word by word, but shadowing helps you learn strong patterns.
Now let's practice with controlled pauses. I will say a line once, then again for you to shadow in real time. Listen first. I am walking to work. Now shadow me. I am walking to work. Listen first. I am waiting for the bus. Now shadow me. I am waiting for the bus. Listen first. I am feeling tired today. Now shadow me. I am feeling tired today. Listen first. I am doing my best to learn English. Now shadow me. I am doing my best to learn English.
Good. Now we start shadowing in real conversations. You will shadow both voices. This builds listening speed and speaking speed at the same time.
Conversation 1. Morning greetings. Good morning. Shadow it.
Good morning. Shadow it.
How are you today? Shadow it.
I am doing fine. Shadow it.
Did you sleep well? Shadow it.
Yes, I slept well. Shadow it.
What are you doing today? Shadow it.
I am going to work. Shadow it.
Perfect. Even simple greetings help you build comfort.
Next conversation. Basic small talk.
Hey, how's it going? Shadow it.
It's going well. Shadow it.
What have you been up to? Shadow it.
Not much, just working. Shadow it.
Same here. Shadow it.
Do you have any plans later?
Shadow it.
Not yet. Shadow it.
Great. Shadowing small talk makes natural English easier. Now let's increase difficulty. We move to everyday tasks. Shadow each line. I am checking my email. I am writing a message. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking lunch. I am going to the store. I am walking home. I am watching a show. I am taking a break. I am calling a friend. I am relaxing now.
These actions appear in almost any daily conversation. Shadowing them helps you respond quickly when someone asks, "What are you doing?"
Now let's do a real-time shadowing drill. Do not wait. Speak with me. I am getting ready for work. I am tying my shoes. I am leaving the house. I am walking to the station. I am waiting for the bus. I am sitting inside. I am looking out the window. I am thinking about my day. I am arriving at work.
Excellent. You are building speed and confidence.
Now let's switch to a shadowing story, easy for beginners. First, listen to the line, then shadow the second time. Listen, I wake up early today. Now shadow, I wake up early today. Listen, I feel tired but I get up. Now shadow, I feel tired but I get up. Listen, I make a cup of tea. Now shadow, I make a cup of tea. Listen, listen by the window. Now shadow, listen by the window. Listen, the weather is warm. Now shadow, the weather is warm. Listen, I check my phone. Now shadow, I check my phone. Listen, I get dressed for work. Now shadow, I get dressed for work. Listen, I leave the house. Now shadow, I leave the house. This type of story practice trains listening comprehension with speaking at the same time. Now we move to feelings. Many learners struggle to express emotions. Shadow these short, useful lines. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel stressed. I feel excited. I feel nervous. I feel relaxed. I feel better now. I feel confident. I feel ready.
Let's do a feelings conversation.
How do you feel today?
I feel a little tired.
Why are you tired?
I did not sleep well.
I understand.
I feel better now.
Great.
Shadowing these simple emotional exchanges helps you talk about yourself more naturally.
Now we focus on pronunciation and rhythm. Listen to the pattern and then shadow immediately with me. I want to go. I want to eat. I want to rest. I want to learn. I want to read. I want to try. Now faster shadowing. I want to go. I want to eat. I want to rest. I want to learn. I want to read. I want to try.
Beginners often struggle with connecting sounds. Shadowing helps your mouth feel the flow of English.
Now, let's practice the core phrases you will use every day. Repeat with me. I don't know. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Can you help me? Please wait a moment. Let me think. That's okay. That sounds good. I agree with you. I am not sure.
These phrases are essential for real communication, and shadowing helps you memorize them naturally.
Now, Let's do a workplace shadowing drill. I am joining the meeting. I am taking notes. I am writing an email. I am answering questions. I am finishing my report. I am talking to my manager. I am helping my coworker.
And now a workplace conversation.
Are you busy right now?
A little, but I can talk.
I need help with this task.
Sure, what do you need?
Can you check this file?
Yes, I can do that.
Excellent. Shadowing conversations like this gives you real confidence at work.
Now let's move to speaking in social situations.
Shadow with me. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? What do you do? Do you live nearby? Do you like this place? What are your hobbies? Do you want to get coffee sometime?
This helps you build comfortable, natural English from meeting people.
Now, we will do a larger, real-life conversation. Shadow both voices.
Hi, how was your day?
It was busy but good.
What did you do?
I worked on a project.
Did you finish it?
Yes, I finished it this afternoon.
That is great.
What about you?
I cleaned my home and cooked lunch.
Sounds like a productive day.
Good. Repeating conversations like this builds fluency.
Now we will do rapid shadowing. Speak at the same time as I do. Do not wait. I am walking. I am sitting. I am thinking. I am talking. I am listening. I am learning. I am practicing. I am improving.
Rapid shadowing pushes your brain to react faster.
Now, let's practice shadowing in a shopping situation. Repeat with me. Where is the milk? Where are the eggs? How much is this? Do you have a bag? Can I pay by card? I need help finding something. Can you check the price?
And now a conversation.
Excuse me, where is the bread?
It is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, where is the sugar?
Aisle 4.
Thanks again.
Simple, realistic, and easy to shadow.
Now, let's switch to restaurant shadowing. These lines appear often. A table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? I would like water. I am ready to order. This tastes good. Can I have the check? Thank you very much.
And the conversation.
Hello, welcome.
A table for 2, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the pasta.
And for you?
I will take the salad.
Perfect. Now, let's work on speaking about plans. Shadow with me. I am going to the gym. I am visiting my friend. I am cooking dinner. I am studying tonight. I am leaving soon. I am going shopping.
Plans are very useful for daily conversation.
Now, we will train the ability to speak for longer. Shadow these longer sentences with me. I am trying to improve my English every day. I am learning new words whenever I can. I am practicing speaking with friends at work. I am listening to English videos to understand more. I am doing my best to communicate clearly.
These longer sentences help build fluency.
Now, final shadowing. Repeat with me. I can speak English. I can learn quickly. I can make progress. I can improve every day. I can express myself. I can do this. I am confident. I am ready.
That was a strong practice session. If you shadow a few minutes every day, you will feel a big difference in your ability to speak naturally.
If this lesson helped you, remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. You can also study on Udemy. The link is in the channel banner and the video description. And if you want to support the channel, you can buy us a coffee using the link in the description. We appreciate your donations on Buy Me a Coffee that really support our channel. Keep practicing every day. Even small practice creates big improvement. We are proud of you. Take care and keep shadowing.